Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Some of you who have been following me for a while might remember that last year, at the end of the summer, I started a YouTube channel dedicated to thread crochet. I named it White Thread Crochet. At first, the channel was growing pretty quickly. It seemed like YouTube was promoting it and recommending it to many people. I noticed that's usually what happens with new channels. The algorithm really wants to help new YouTubers to keep them posting on the platform. So like I said, my channel was growing fast. I got a lot of views and subscribers. The channel got monetized only about a month after I started it. However, literally, the next day after my channel was monetized, all the views dropped dramatically. I continued posting new videos every 3-4 days, hoping the views will go up again, but that never happened. Despite all of my efforts, I was only making 30-40 cents a day from the ads on my thread crochet tutorials. Obviously, I could not continue spending hours and hours of my time creating thread patterns and tutorials while making 30-40 cents a day from my work. For that reason, I stopped adding new tutorials to the channel. So there were no longer new videos on the channel, but the old ones remained and they were still monetized. I also had one member on that channel, my loyal and dedicated viewer and supporter, Georgina. She has been the longest member on this channel and she was my one and only member on White Thread Crochet channel. Georgina, thank you so much for your support. However, without new videos and very small amount of views on the existing ones, the watch time on my channel fell very low. I must admit I made a big mistake that greatly contributed to the low watch time on my channel. Many people have been asking me for symbol charts for my crochet projects and stitch patterns. And I wanted to please everyone. I wanted to be accommodating. I wanted to share my work for free. So I started sketching crochet symbol charts and included them in the beginning of the tutorials. And what happened was many viewers only watched my videos for a few seconds. They would take a screenshot of the symbol chart and there was no reason for them to continue watching the video. That was a huge mistake on my part and I only have myself to blame. Anyway, the watch time fell so low that this month YouTube completely demonetized my channel. I would like to say may this be a cautionary tale to those of you who have small channels which are monetized. Pay attention to the watch time on your channel. It must not fall below 4,000 hours over the previous 12 months. As for me, since I was no longer making any money from those tutorials, not even 30-40 cents a day, I now deleted them all. They are no longer available on the channel. The channel is empty. However, the good news is for those of you who are interested in these patterns and tutorials, they are all available in my Etsy and Ravelry shops. The links to the video tutorials, which are no longer public, are included in the patterns, and with the purchase of the pattern, the corresponding tutorial is still available. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. In case some of you wondered what happened to those video tutorials, now you know what. And those of you who have YouTube channels, be careful to pay attention to the watch time if you don't want your channel to get demonetized.